Okay, it's not grouted. Here we go, Agoura Hills, California. Our next step is to seal it. Just finished cleaning the stone. So there we go. Here we have it, gentlemen and ladies, all grouted out. 3,200 square feet of stone. Flagstone, Arizona, natural. If you need some work done, you can reach me at cbalboa13@gmail.com. Here we have it. Beautiful area here in California. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All grouted out. Like I said, next step is to seal it and have this wet look on it. Until next time.